Jamaican men are the biggest cheaters ever.
Women don't admit to cheating, but women do it much better than men.
Women, obviously.
I think
Jamaican men do cheat. You just state that point blank. You know, just, you can go now.
no,
women cheat. Women cheat.
Men cheat
so
the
well.
most.
No.
Especially your variety, the Jamaican.
No, what's my variety? What's that?
The Jamaican man.
No, baby.
Listen, you have yelling a bungle.
No,
you're not afraid to say that you cheat. I have cheated before in the past, and
case in point, I've never cheated.
Lie. Watch him face. Watch him face.
Hi.
Watch him face.
You mean you just say so?
Why your face look like that?
You just say it.
Swear. Thunder roll and lightning flash. Cable time, gash of fire, swear.
Like my religion don't allow me to do that. Alright, I thank you.
And then cheat here.
No, but obviously.
Everybody has cheated before at some point.
Talk for yourself.
Everybody has cheated before at some
in
point.
In exams, in tests, in drug tests, them things.
In relationships.
No, that's too sacred for us, man. We don't do those things. If I accidentally land into somebody's life, I'm in somebody's life same time, accidentally, I'm about to one drop in there, then it's accident, you know.
That is an excuse.
Yes.
Well, if I cheated, but it was a little accident. It was an accident. It never really did.
Was it with a Jamaican man? Here you go.
No, that made it two of we then.
No, I'm not gonna say you cheat for a Jamaican man. She give you the goods.
No, not necessarily give you the goods. I guess that could be considered as not freely.
To pay a fee.
So
you cheat?
No, I didn't cheat. I did not cheat.
You're disgusting.
I did not cheat. So what happened was we were done. But it was like 2 weeks later, and there was like this really nice guy, and you know, he said the right things. You know, he touched the right spot. And I was like, you know, why not? I'm single, I'm free. And
that's
so,
like offered. That's it?
No, I didn't. Listen, he's good looking, right? And I drove miles to get it, right?
Wow.
Because we were supposed to have a spiritual conversation.
Where do they make you?
We were supposed to have a spiritual conversation, and what happened was, he's like, okay, let's go back to your place. I was like, what? I just drove here. Anyways, he brought the Bible and everything, his Rasta Bible.
The Bible?
The Rasta Bible.
Pause. Hey, time out. Hold on. Bring back the plate.
It's a one-time thing, that was it. But it's not like fully cheating. It was just like, it was a part of my life that I'm now past.
Chiney, who are you?
Okay.
Like, who are you? Like I'm still kind of part of the cheat, you know.
Well, you cheated before. Yes, you have.
Me.
Off camera, he told me.
Me tell you this. Me tell you
I never heard.
He told me.
Me never are number one. Let me tell you something, all right? And you understand that, you know, in relationships we stand firm. You know, we are men of moral.
My ex started knocking at the door when the session was that going. I didn't know what to do. Anyway.
Says you jump off? You jump off and say, hey, I'm coming. And they say, yo, go around this.
Nah.
No?
Nah, I didn't jump off.
You continue?
Well, I gotta finish. I paid my money. I did the dues. I drove fast. I drove far ways for that. So what happened was, I heard the door knock. I said, we'll be there in a second, you know? And I got to the place that I needed to get to. Like, you gotta go to Narnia, you know? I went to Narnia, opened the door, and then, you know, they almost fist fight. But I didn't care. I got what I needed.
Time out one more time.
You know, because you have the story in your head now, you're changing. You just give it a bundle like right after. I can't attest to this.
It was one bun, and it was in my past.
A big bun.
More like the round bun. It was a long time ago, and it was a small, you know, incident.
Where it go?
Pleasurable incident. I can't remember.
How we do?
Never.
Yeah, that's not the information.
No, that's between
What good is it gonna do? You know, that's a tricky one. Us as women always say that we would want to know. Muda want to know, but no know. But Muda want to know same way.
That's between me and the cheating.
They're gonna ask questions like, was he better than me? Did he do it?
Well, I don't know about
too much. Men are gonna ask too many questions.
I don't think women require truth, but I don't think they can handle truth.
Some of you just tell them out secretly. No man, tell me man, tell me
Yeah,
so
but
we
you
can do
can't
it.
angle it. You know how
No,
much
no. You tell me so
man
we can
cannot
emancipate
take
myself.
bun.
We
Man
don't
can't
want
take-
you the bun. You can keep the bun. Just you write it on a piece and no push on the door.
And then what you gonna do after that?
Believe it, just like
Them not gonna leave, them are gonna kick, them are gonna fight, them are gonna fuss, them are gonna argue, them are gonna create one bag of excitement. Oh my God, you bruise him ego and da da da. Where you going?
That's
You're
with
not
the
going no,
age.
because you're not gonna get out the pumps that easy. Talk truth.
The pumps?
Talk truth.
Of course we can handle the truth.
No, I
you
don't think
should
so.
tell us when you've
No.
cheated, because when you've cheated, it's different. When women cheat, it's emotional sometimes. And once we cross the emotional line, we can't come back to you. With men, it might just be a physical thing. It might have been she bent over badly and it happened.
Yeah, but
you know?
what's going to happen is that you're going to bring it up in the
No, I'm
relationship
not.
for
Oh.
70 years.
No!
Yeah, forever.
We bring it up just to like get something out of you. Be like, you remember that one time you
let's
cheated?
still bring
I
it
need
up.
that handbag. But we're not bringing it up in the sense that it still bothers us. Because we know that Susie just bent over badly and you just happen to have a moment, honey. It's not that serious. But when women do it, you start to get emotionally attached. Was he better than me? And then it starts to it plays on your conscience.
Listen, I don't even want to know if I am getting cheated on.
You're not going to let it go.
It
that
depends
easy.
if the pumps is worth not giving away because some pumps mad man. You get what I'm saying?
And it's a go mad. Because you're already in a relationship with her.
No, with me in a relationship. Let me tell you something. Right? You have some girls where right now will just grab you and hold you. Them all them would go zone. You get the center mass. You see what I say? But me I walk with the Asian. Me I walk with some voodoo things and I say.
I was just, I'm not try to catch him and just show you and say like, you know, look at water where you sprinkle.
But here's the moral of the story. Men cheat more.
No,
because
that's
you
not
are
true.
more willing to
That's
speak
not
about
true.
it, and women have to preserve our purity.
No,
so
women
by
have to
default,
preserve the lies
But
that
by
they tell.
default, you cheat more. That's it.
No, that's
Moving
not true.
along.
That's not true. That's not true.
Next.
Women cheat more than men.
Next. You didn't prove that one, boo boo. Next.
Say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know. Say you come over me yard, baby. You know me love your body. Nobody nothing know. Say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know. Say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know. Say you come over me yard, baby. You know me love your body. Baby, every time you come here, act like you know and do it. And I tell me say I sneak, you a sneak.